Distracted boyfriend and woman yelling at a cat. A clean, quick comparison. What matters most? Distilled. Ready for a super short quiz at the end? Like and subscribe for more smart comparisons. In the realm of internet memes, distracted boyfriend and woman yelling at cat reigns supreme. Both images spark unique emotions, creating chaotic reactions across social media. Let's dive into what makes each meme stand out. Distracted boyfriend prompts relatable humor about temptation versus loyalty, hilariously capturing the struggle of choosing between interests. Woman yelling at cat illustrates the absurdity of frustration and misunderstandings, showcasing how pets can unintentionally steal the spotlight. Both memes have evolved beyond their origins, spawning countless variations and parodies, turning them into cultural phenomena.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Decode the emojis. Distracted boyfriend. Which meme features a cat sitting at a table with a woman pointing and yelling? Woman yelling at a cat. Which meme is often used to illustrate choices or distractions in relationships? Distracted boyfriend. Which meme can be interpreted as a humorous depiction of communication between humans and pets? Woman yelling at a cat. Which meme has become a symbol for the struggle of wanting something different? Distracted boyfriend. Which meme is often paired with captions about confusion or misunderstanding? Woman yelling at a cat. Which meme shows a man who is not paying attention to his girlfriend? Distracted boyfriend. Which meme features a cat with a deadpan expression? Woman yelling at a cat. Which meme is widely used to discuss relationship dilemmas humorously? Distracted boyfriend. Which meme involves a visual contrast between a woman's anger and a cat's indifference? Woman yelling at a cat. Which meme depicts a scenario of longing or desire towards something else? Distracted boyfriend. Which meme often serves as a template for expressing frustration? Woman yelling at a cat. Which meme includes a man, a woman, and a second woman? Distracted boyfriend. Which meme showcases a cat that seems unimpressed or unbothered? Woman yelling at a cat. Which meme is often associated with the theme of temptation? Distracted boyfriend. Which meme emphasizes the contrast between human emotions and pet reactions? Woman yelling at a cat. Which meme is frequently used in discussions about societal norms or expectations? Distracted boyfriend. Which meme presents a woman in a yelling pose while pointing at a cat? Woman yelling at a cat. Which meme can show indecisiveness or distraction in a humorous way? Distracted boyfriend. Which meme is known for its expression of frustration directed at a pet? Woman yelling at a cat. Which meme typically portrays a man with a conflicted expression? Distracted boyfriend. Who has better ball control, distracted boyfriend or woman yelling at a cat? Distracted boyfriend. Who is more clutch in big games, distracted boyfriend or woman yelling at a cat? Woman yelling at a cat. Who would surprise with a bicycle kick? Distracted boyfriend. Who has more iconic celebrations? Woman yelling at a cat. Who is more creative with assists? Distracted boyfriend.